Hey there everyone, welcome back to Tokos Reviews. Today we're going to be doing a review, unboxing of the DJi Fly Mode Combo Mavic 3. Yes, it is right here, check it out. Bam! So this is what we're going to be unboxing, and yeah, let's jump right into it. Let's check it out. So we got this big gigantic box, very heavy. This is more heavier than the Mavic 2 Pro, and check this out. Oh my gosh, this is a huge case that's inside. Yep, it's right there. And then what comes with it, some booklet instruction manual and stuff like that. So, you know, this is like a huge box and it's very heavy. So let's see what's inside here. All right, so this case is pretty interesting because it got these little things here, and it's, believe it or not, it's aluminum. Right, how cool is that? Now this backpack is unique, and the reason why I say that because you might be paying more for the backpack over the battery. Okay, and let's talk a little bit about that later, but right now we're going to do the unboxing. So we open this bad boy up here, and this is what we see. Okay, so we got the multiple chargers. So you guys know the Fly Mode Combo does come with 3 DJi batteries, and then you got this case here. And I believe this is the this is a filter that comes with the Fly Mode Combo Edition, which is pretty cool, right? Check that out. So it's got 4 different type of filters, which is pretty cool, right? That's interesting. I need to test this out to see what filter works best in outside areas, right? And it also comes with this charger. Now this is a 65-watt charger. You probably can get away if you have other 65-watt chargers to charge this with your batteries, and it's also, the end of it, it's actually USB-C, as you can see there. Okay, the other thing that comes with it, it's another USB 3.0 to USB-C. I think this is what you would use to charge the controller with. And right here, now this is the interesting part right here. Let me try to get all these stuff out. Now this Fly Mode Combo Edition comes with 8 propellers, which is pretty cool. And you know, besides the one that's already on the drone, so that's a total of actually 12 props. Okay, and it also comes with this little piece. I don't know what this thing is for, but it's for something, right? And then the other thing, okay, let me get the rest of the props out. There you go. You can see there's a whole bunch of them. And then here you also have wires for the drone. Now this is for your Android phone. Everything now is probably USB-C, but they also include this, which is pretty cool. So, okay, what else? They also included this one. So this is USB-C to USB-C. This is for the older Android phones, USB-C to Android, and of course the other stuff. Check this out. Okay, now this is weird because this unboxing, you know, you would expect to run and pay that much money to get a better controller, like the controller Pro 2, or the one that does launch out with the sign. Correct me if I'm wrong on your comments down below. I did heard down, you know, the line that DJi is going to change that, so they're going to be launching the DJi Mavic 3 combo, not the sign but combo, with the upgraded Pro 2 controller, which is pretty cool. So yeah, and it has the little joys right there. Okay, so it does that. Now the battery, these batteries are skinnier, but they last longer, and I think going from 31 to 46 minute or 48, I think 46 minute, which is a long time, right? And I believe this battery is way better than the DJi Mavic Pro 2, and yeah, and it lasts longer. And these are the batteries that come with it, and I believe there's already one on the drone, and this is the drone itself. And I don't think there's anything else in this backpack. Nope, there's nothing else here in this backpack, so I'm gonna just put that backpack right here, just like that. Okay, so check this out. This is pretty cool because with this you can see that DJi implemented a covering case instead of the little plastic thing. You know, people had issues with that. I have issues. I've always scratched the the gimbal with the camera with it on the Mavic 2 Pro, and I always had problem trying to snap it on. But with this one, it's a cover case, so you just put it on and then lock it down here. Now this is not magnetic, but it has a little strap here that flexes, so you can just open it just like this. So this is what you should expect when it comes from with everything if you buy the Flymore combo. And then that opens up, and then you pop this out just like that. And then there you go. You have the actual Mavic, as you can see there. This is the Mavic 3 Flymore combo edition. And this is pretty interesting, guys. And one of the reasons why I'm saying that, because check this out. This is bigger, and I'm going to say that again. This is way bigger than the actual Mavic 2 Pro. And I mean, look at that thing. So anyway, guys, so that's my overall review of the Mavic 3. Now, I will be testing this out in a couple days. I will be testing it out, and I will definitely give you my overall review on that. So if you guys are new if you guys are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. That will definitely help me further make content like this, so you guys, the viewers, can see more and also see my new and updated videos for the part 2 of me flying the Mavic 3. Now there will be some tests I'm going to be doing on this, and I want to first test the speed. Second, how long is it going to fly, and how good the camera is. But I'm getting some pretty good reviews and other YouTubers that are actually telling me how good and how much they like this drone. And I think it's just a matter of time that DJi will be launching out some new firmware update that would even make this even better than what it is now. And that's the hope. So I hope that DJi will address these things sooner, instead of everyone waiting for January for the new update. And I hope DJi will give us a better update so we can use the app like we're used to with the Mavic 2 Pro. But I know with the DJi Mavic 3, it's even more advanced, and I just can't wait to test this out. So yeah, if you guys like content like this, go ahead and hit that like button. If you guys have any comments, go ahead and drop it down below. I will definitely get right back to you guys, and you know, as soon as I can. And like always, guys, all fathers from Tokos Reviews. Peace. Yeah, that's what's in the box. Is it really worth $3 grand? I wish they gave us more battery. And this backpack here is actually 350 bucks. If you didn't know, if you bought this separately. So are you paying more for the backpack? Because if they would give us like 2 extra batteries to make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, now that'd be worth it, right? Yeah. Yeah, I might just end up selling this backpack and get me a hard case.